Hey YouTube, this is Andy from Little RV Big Life, and today we will be installing a winter grill guard. Alright, the winter grill guard that we are using today is this guy. I did end up getting it from Amazon. I'll have a link in the description for that. And what I'm doing this for is because right now it's about 2 degrees outside. This morning it was -1, and the truck has a really hard time keeping warm in the winter. What this is going to do is going to block some of the airflow coming through the front grille of the truck. Now this is a diesel, so they take forever to warm up anyways. But this will help keep some of that heat into the radiator and keep everything warm on the interior of the truck also. So the few tools that you're going to need for this is a flathead screwdriver and a 5.5 millimeter wrench, nut driver, ratchet, whatever your choice is. You can go ahead and use one of those guys. So we're going to jump out to the truck and show you what we're doing today. Alright guys, we are out here with Black Beauty. We're going to go ahead and pop this grill off and get things started. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do here, we are going to take out these 4 screws across the top here. They are your 5.5 millimeter. I've got a nut driver here and make it a lot easier. Alright, next thing we're going to do, we're going to go down to the bottom and we're going to take out the 5 clips that hold it on. This thing will pop right off. Alright, those 5 clips that I'm talking about, I'll show you here in a second. They are going to be these guys across the bottom. And you just need a screwdriver to pop them out. Looks like that one's missing there. Now if you guys don't have a wide open grill like this, you may have to pull from the top and reach down in there. Alright, so we're just going to take our screwdriver here, right down on the top of these guys and pop them out. There's the next one. I'm just going to pop out. Alright, you're going to reach down here from the top. Pop that loose. The grill will just pop right off. Alright, we're going to go get this guy warm and get this grill cover on here. Alright guys, so I'm here in my dining room. I've got my grill all warmed back up, and I'm sure that Nicole's going to love that I'm doing truck work in the dining room. Anyways, so I'm going to flip you around here, show you what we're working with. So here is the truck cover, and it fits pretty well, looks like. And then what I'm going to use, there's 2 options. There's these adhesive buttons. That I'm going to just stick onto, or clip onto the back of these clips here, pull the adhesive tabs off. They also have a screw inside. With these guys, you'll drill into your grill, and then you can snap these guys out. Much more permanent, but I like the black look of these guys, so we are going to go ahead and keep with that. So I already have a couple already clipped in. All you're going to do is peel the adhesive off of here, the stick like that, and just stick it down into place like so. I've got quite a few more to do. I'm going to go through those, and I'll be right back with you. All right, so we got it on there. Let's go put it back on the truck and see what it looks like. All right guys, back out here. Pretty much how this is gonna go is just the reverse order of how you took it apart. Just clip in those 5 clips at the bottom and we're gonna put these 4 screws in the top. So here we go. Now when I'm doing this, I'm just gonna leave this cover on here. It's easy, it doesn't really get in the way. Not that big of a deal. All right, let's check it out. All right, so here's our grill cover. There are a couple spots that it didn't fit quite right. You can see a little bubble here and one up here on the top. But to be honest, it's not going to be that big of a deal, and should be able to be pretty good here. Now, it does have these little covers, so if you need to get a little bit more airflow through there, you're towing something big, whatever else, on a warmer day, you can open them up a little bit, get some more airflow in there. Alright, so there you go. That's how you install your winter grill cover. Not that big of a project. Took me about 30 minutes to do, even with recording video. So help yourself get a little bit warmer temperatures inside of your truck. It'll warm up a lot faster, and install yourself one of these grill covers.